The pipe should be cleaned against any dirt or debris before starting the installation of Rockwool pipe. Rockwool pipe product should be positioned and butt closely. Place the longitudinal joints down against the ground. Fasten the Rockwool pipe by using galvanized steel or stainless steel, where at circularly distance 300 mm. In some cases, the gap between joints, box Rockwool has to be filled by operators to avoid thermal breakages. Suitable cladding should be applied to protect the insulation from weather influence, mechanical load, and potentially corrosive pollution. For doing this, the cladding has to be installed from the bottom to top along the pipe. Then the top cladding will overlap the bottom cladding as per industry standard of installation. Fasten the sheet cladding with metal screw or blunt reverse, 150 mm center to center. We do not recommend aluminum screw or reverse, but stainless steel is better. Any other wonders, please contact us freely. More information, please follow us. Don't forget to give us a like. Bye bye.